Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. In today's video, we're diving into innovative container office ideas for small spaces, where creativity meets functionality in the most compact and stylish ways. From backyard work pods to modular office suites, get inspired by clever designs that prove you don't need a lot of space to create a productive and beautiful work environment. Let's explore how you can turn a shipping container into the ultimate small office space, efficient, affordable, and seriously cool. Let's get started. The days of identical cube farms and open-plan offices are officially over. Modern businesses want innovative, sustainable, and original office design ideas. Companies are now focused on creating comfortable places to work that make the best possible use of space and materials. Shipping container offices are just one of the ways that businesses are cutting costs and emissions, while putting their unique stamp on the workplace. A container office is a workspace built from repurposed shipping containers. Used shipping containers are incredibly strong and durable. Plus, they're designed for easy transport, so you can move them around and stack them together for extra space as required. Most container office layouts are built with standard-size shipping containers, ranging from 20 to 40 feet in length. Next, they're modified according to the container office design, with doors, windows, insulation, electrical wiring, and plumbing. You can even design container offices with environmental controls, such as temperature or humidity, and extra security features. Do you need planning permission for a shipping container office? The short answer is, it varies. It's important to check local rules and get professional advice. Some container offices are considered temporary structures, such as construction offices on a building site. They usually don't require planning permission. However, if you plan to use your container office as a permanent workspace, then you'll need to check local regulations. Some areas do require planning permission for shipping containers and might have building regulations that you need to follow. Benefits of choosing a shipping container office. More and more businesses are choosing container office designs for their employees. That's because container offices come with a range of benefits, from cost efficiency to future-proofing. Container offices are usually much cheaper to build than conventional buildings. The upcycled container already has 4 walls, a floor, and a roof. It just needs a few modifications. You'll save a lot on material, labor, and maintenance costs by choosing a container office. When you reuse a container for your office, you help the environment in 2 ways. First, the container itself is saved from landfill. Second, it doesn't take much to convert the container, so you reduce the need for new construction materials. If your business is committed to reducing its carbon footprint, container offices are a great place to start. Mobility and flexibility. Shipping containers are built to withstand heavy weather, handling, and journeys on sea and land. That means they're ideal for temporary and mobile offices. It's easy to move them from place to place. Since shipping containers are designed to stack on board container ships, they also make great modular buildings. You can stack them vertically or horizontally to increase your space, or move them around to change the container office layout when needed. Durability and strength. Containers are made from high-quality steel. They're strong, durable, and weather-resistant, even in extreme temperatures. They can even survive heavy winds and earthquakes. Those characteristics help to make container offices strong, secure, and durable. Container office designs can be built quite quickly. Shipping containers can be placed on minimal foundations, such as a layer of concrete or wooden beams. Then you just have to modify the container so that it's comfortable and adapted for office use. The only standard thing about containers is their external dimensions. Everything else is customizable. You can add doors and windows, partition the interior, add insulation, wiring, or plumbing, and even connect another container alongside to expand the space. This versatile modular design is a popular style statement for modern offices. Shipping container offices are an affordable, efficient solution for all kinds of environments, from urban areas to remote work sites. They can be used as offices, event spaces, pop-up shops, and even residences. Because they're so portable and adaptable, they're a wise investment for almost any business. Wherever you go, whatever you're doing, you'll be able to take the container office with you. Shipping container offices are a good choice for any business that needs a functional and flexible workspace. They're cost-effective, adaptable, and can move around with you as needed. Many construction companies use container offices for storage break rooms and offices on work sites. They can be transported and set up at a new site with minimal effort. Plus, they're robust enough to survive the construction site environment. If you organize events such as festivals, concerts, trade shows, or sports meets, then a container office can be extremely useful as a temporary administrative hub. Shipping containers for pop-up events are durable and mobile, so you can move them easily between events. Shipping container offices are a budget-friendly option if you're starting a new business on a budget. They can be customized to match your office needs, for example, adding extra power outlets, shelving, or sliding windows. Real estate developers often need extra office space at their sites for sales offices or marketing centers. Container offices can be moved around from site to site. Plus, they can be converted into comfortable, branded spaces to welcome buyers and support the developer's image. Shipping containers are a cost-effective way to expand your office space while reducing your carbon footprint. Recycled materials and an efficient use of space mean that the environmental impact from container offices is minimal, aligning to initiatives set by these types of organizations. And there you have it, some of the most innovative container office ideas designed perfectly for small spaces. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, create a stylish workspace, or just make the most out of limited room, container offices offer endless possibilities. Thanks for watching Alvinsa Studio. If you found inspiration today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative container living ideas. Until next time, stay creative and think outside the box, literally.